There are many products available to choose barware, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best barware from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So, without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Barillio Elite 23-Piece Bartender Kit. If you're looking for a one-stop shop, Barillio's 23-piece kit has everything you could possibly need, and probably more, which may come in handy if you're really into making cocktails or you fall in love with the process as a result of this kit. This kit is a great option if you're starting from scratch, or if you just want to have extra tools on hand. The set includes everything you need to make cocktails, from a jigger, muddler, bar spoon, and cocktail shaker. A wine key is included, along with plenty of other items you didn't know you needed. Set it all up for display on the included stand, or carry it with you in the velvet bag. The included book is a nice touch. One thing we noticed, however, is that the stand could be a little bit more stable. Number 2. Modern Mixology Bartender Kit. For the beginner bartenders out there, Wilson has a few words of wisdom. One thing to note is that there's no universal set. Every set has different tools. But I think novice home bartenders should look for a set with a jigger, cocktail shaker, muddler, and bar spoon at minimum. According to Wilson, these are the essentials as they're bound to get the most use, and durability is key. If you're just starting out, follow Wilson's lead by going with this quality collection of basics from Modern Mixology, which includes all of the above minus the muddler, a tool you can improvise with something you have at home. The spoon is on the smaller side, which can make stirring cocktails tricky depending on the mixing vessel, but the set makes up for it with a sturdy shaker. In addition, this set comes with tongs, a bottle opener, a wooden stand, a recipe booklet, and a 3-year warranty. Number 3. W&P Design Cocktail Canteen. I'm really particular about my bar tools, so I bought all my tools individually and built a collection over the years. But if I could go back and do it all again, I would definitely invest in a nice matching set, says Wilson. One set I've been eyeing is the Cocktail Canteen from W&P Design. It's cool because it's made for bringing your bar tools with you on the go and comes in a cute canteen that doubles as a shaker to carry all your tools. On your next trip, bring this compact set along for a test run. It packs up easily. Whether you're shaking or stirring, you'll definitely be putting the funnel, collapsible jigger, expandable bar spoon, and dropper bottle to use. This set is TSA compliant for good measure. If you're looking at it and thinking, but where's the shaker? Never fear. The carrier doubles as a shaker and is also an insulated thermos. Number 4. Picnic Time Complete Home Bar Set. Picnic Time's Complete Home Bar Set is basically a bar in a box. The stunning wood case contains all of the essentials and then some, 19 to be exact. Other than giving you pretty much everything you could need to stock your home bar, minus the alcohol, the box itself, made of acacia wood, is attractive and closes up for easy and inconspicuous storage. The set comes with a lifetime guarantee. That's the good news. While it is beautifully designed, the strainer was defective upon arrival, which suggests a quality control issue. The metal knob on the box itself had also somehow been sheared clean in half. If you're looking for an all-in-one option, you may be able to look past the flaws. The set comes with a lifetime guarantee, which is helpful when things like this happen. Number 5. Pottery Barn 5-Piece Bar Tool Set. The eye-catching minimalism of this set just begs to be displayed. We love how the tools hang upside down on the stand and are easy to grab when it's time to make cocktails. It's also a bit of a space saver in terms of design. It's ideal for someone without a lot of storage space. Items included are 1 and 2 ounce jigger cups, a strainer, a spoon, a bottle opener, and the holder. The set is made from electroplated stainless steel and aluminum and comes in antique gold and blackened bronze finishes. It's hard to choose which one's prettier. We also like the sustainability aspect of this. The product is made in a fair trade certified factory. Its attractive design makes it a great candidate for gift giving too. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make you life much more easier.